Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to draw Mr. Stumblebot. Let's start with a line coming down. We're going to draw his head, which is a square. So try and keep those the same. Then we're going to come down and across. So we've got his head there. Now he's got his little neck. We'll put his little neck in here like this. Now we've got another almost a square here as well where his body comes on. So we're going to draw a line out here, then we're going to come down and down, and then we're going to draw a straight line across. Now I'm looking pretty much straight on to Mr. Stumblebot. Now let's draw two circles up here. 1, 2. Then we're going to draw a couple more little buttons down here. 1, 2. Now we're going to draw a rectangle in this section. This is like his heart rate monitor, so a line across, up, down, up. There's his heartbeat. And we're going to draw another rectangle inside here. Now I'm drawing these two bits to keep them the same and try and keep this the same as well. So I'll cross like this, and I'm actually going to go up a little bit higher because we need to fit his head in there. Cross like that. And then we're going to put the Stumble Guy's head inside here like that, with a couple of little eyes. 1 there, 2. So it looks like Stumble Guy's just wearing a cardboard box dressed up as a robot. Now we're going to put these parts on. So a little rectangle there, and I'm going to do one on the top as well. So 3 rectangles and then circles coming off each side like this. And off the top, almost like an oval shape on each of those. Now we're going to put on his shoulder pad, do the same on both sides. Now it looks like he's got these little folds, so I'm going to just come down, up like that. And then he's got one big one for his arm, so we're going to bring that around like this. And we're going to do, let's just put that there because that's where his arm's going to be, and then let's just go up, down, and then back in like that. Now what we can do is with these is just bring these lines in so they're like fold lines. Looks like sort of tubing to look like the robot. That's what we're doing there. There we are. Now his hand. Stumble Guy's hand like that. Same on this side. Now what we need to do is draw his leg. So front part of his leg there. Front part of his leg here comes up and in behind that. And he's got a little bit of a boot. Notice how I'm drawing both sides at the same time. I'm trying to keep him symmetrical. And this boot comes out and around like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side, coming out and around. And then let's put a sole on the shoe. Up like that, down, and then bring this around. And there we have Mr. Stumblebot, looking pretty cool.